What's up, my future real estate moguls? Today we're diving into the age-old dilemma. Should you sell your house and live your best life or become a landlord and swim in that sweet, sweet rental income? Let's break it down, shall we? First question to ask yourself, is your house even rentable? I mean, is it charming enough to attract tenants or does it have more quirks than a Wes Anderson movie? Next up, are you ready to step into the glamorous world of being a landlord? Get ready for those 2 a.m. calls about a leaky faucet or a toilet that won't flush. It's like being on call for a reality TV show, but with less drama and more plungers. And let's not forget about the moolah money. Do you have a good grasp on what it'll cost to maintain that property? Because surprise, surprise, owning a rental ain't cheap. From repairs to vacancies, you better have that emergency fund ready to go. So should you sell or rent out your crib? It's a tough decision, but remember, it's all about what works best for you. Take your time, weigh those pros and cons like you're judging a hot dog eating contest. Hot dog. And even maybe even chat with the pro for some expert advice. In the end, whether you're flipping that house like a pancake or turning it into a rental cash cow, just make sure you're making the decision that'll set you up for success. And hey, if all else fails, just call me for some real estate therapy. I got your back.